Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the mesmerizing destination of Aruba, where the sun shines bright and the waters are crystal clear. But hold on tight because cruising to Aruba comes with a twist. Its close proximity to the equator. I'm your host, and in this video we'll be sharing 5 important things you need to know before you set sail to this Caribbean paradise. First up, let's talk location. Aruba's lucky enough to be located just a stone's throw away from the equator, which means you're in for some seriously sunny weather. But that also means the sun's rays can be intense, so remember to pack plenty of sunscreen with high SPF. Trust me, you don't want to be dealing with sunburn when you could be enjoying those stunning beaches. Now, onto clothing. Light, breathable fabrics are your best friends in Aruba's tropical climate. Think loose-fitting shirts, shorts, and comfortable footwear. Oh, and don't forget your wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses to shield yourself from the sun's powerful rays while you're out exploring the island. Here's a tip: hydration is key. With the equatorial sun, you'll be sweating more than usual, so it's crucial to stay hydrated. Bottled water is readily available, but you can also sip on some of the island's delicious fresh coconut water. It's not just refreshing, but it's a taste of Aruba's tropical goodness. Foodies, you're in for a treat. Aruba's cuisine is a blend of Caribbean and Latin American flavors, but with the equator's influence, your appetite might take a different turn. Opt for lighter meals like fresh seafood, tropical fruits, and salads. And remember, smaller, more frequent meals can help you stay energized throughout your adventure. Last but definitely not least, timing is everything. The sun's strongest between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. So, plan your outdoor activities for the morning or late afternoon. This way, you can soak up Aruba's beauty without getting a sunburn. Plus, you'll also catch some unforgettable sunrises and sunsets. And there you have it, folks. 5 crucial things to remember when cruising to Aruba, considering its close proximity to the equator. With the right preparation and a touch of sunscreen, you're all set to make the most of this sun-soaked paradise. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and I'll catch you in the next video. Safe travels and sunny skies.